Bissell's Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine is quick and convenient to use with a 9-foot hose and stain tool to easily clean stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach places. Before you clean, check the label on fabrics to make sure it doesn't require dry cleaning. Pre-treat the area with Bissell's Heavy Traffic Pre-Treater or one of our spot and stain removers. Next, attach the smaller solution hose to the machine and turn clockwise to lock it into place. Then attach the larger hose into the hose latch and again turn clockwise to lock it in. Pressing the red trigger, use a back and forth motion to cover a small area. Release the trigger to remove dirty water. Use just a little solution. Don't overwet it. When you are finished, take off the solution hose and remove the larger hose. Clean the tool of any excess debris. Remove and rinse the dirty water and solution tanks. Rinse and pack up the accessory, making sure there is no water in the hose before placing it into the bag. Your upholstery and stairs are now clean. Bissell's Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine.